Chance on the super scooter. And here we go. High speed action. Last race of the year. Let's hope we finish all on two wheels. Here they come. Lap number one. Here they go. Rushing down the straightaway. Rushing into turns 1 and 2. Look at them go, Bermuda. 400, 250s. Way to run. Rushing down the back straightaway. Rushing down the turns 4. Right back on the front straightaway. Number 9. Brucey Griller Jr. on the return. Side by side, takes it up. No. Rushing back down the straightaway. Rushing into turns 1 and 2. Look at him go. Flying it. Brucey Griller Jr. Number 18. Rushes to the front of the field. Into turn 7 and 8. Here they come. Right back at you, Bermuda. Front straightaway. Number 9, number 7 in our pursuit. What a run. This is the race of the day. This is the race of the year. As Brucey Griller Jr. looks to put this guy way up down. Maybe you're standing aside. It's a youngster trying to run with him. But it's all good. Turn 1, high speed, 90 miles per hour. As Brucey Griller Jr. rushes down the backstretch. Wheel to wheel, back to back. Number 7, number 8. Spinning down up to 4th. Change out of the turn. Change on the straightaway. Here we go. Full out. Rushing back down the turns 1. Goes that 48 machine. Brucey Griller Jr. Number 7 machine. Young Dickerson. Shine! What a race! Out of turn 9. Brucey Griller, 18. Number 7 machine. Close and Burgess in hot pursuit. As Gordon's looking strong in that second place. Burgess up to 3rd. Billy down in the 4th spot. Turning on the super scooter. Up to 5th. Right flag at the line. Right flag for Brucey Griller Jr. One more ride around for that Superbike 250 machine on Brucey Griller. And here he goes out of turn 9. Here's Shine. Right flag. Right flag. Right flag. Brucey Griller Jr. Billy now brings up the 4th. What a race, I'm out of breath. Let's put your hands together. Here comes Shine to take the checker flag. Super scooter style. Come on. Let's go down in the 48. And here comes Young Dickerson. What a breath. Any more races I won't be talking tomorrow morning. What a day, Bermuda. What a race year. How about a great race year? All right, we're going to stop the bikes. Gonna get everybody come out, get a one big picture, alright?
Bermuda Live on YouTube. Subscribe now.